Hi, Pure Water Power, and I'd like to introduce you to the Pure Water Power 24-inch short pole. Now this is basically just a 2-foot section of our #1 section water-fed pole, and it's equipped with a clamp and a Euro threaded tip to attach your water-fed pole brushes. And basically this is just designed to do short level work, first story work while cleaning a building. You can simply just take your water-fed pole brush off of your Viper pole or any other brush or pole that has a Euro threaded fitting, and this is a Viper pole brush, and just simply screw on the adapter, run the hose through. You can use your gooseneck hose that comes supplied with the Viper pole and run it through and connect to a water source, and now you have a short pole for low level work. Available from any distributor of Pure Water Power. Thank you.